Are you looking for the best DJ headphones? In this video we will look at some of the best DJ headphones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, an Odio Monitor 60 wired headphone. With high-res audio verification, Monitor 60 headphones meet the industry benchmark for reference audio sound and accurate sound reproduction. Ideal for top DJs and audio pros. Monitor 60 is made as an ideal studio monitoring headphones suitable for the most demanding audio pros and audiophile applications, such as for recording studios, post-production or broadcasting. Super big speaker and wider cavity deliver a deeper audio experience that's flawlessly tuned for your unique hearing. The ergonomic and over-ear design provide you with every nuance of the music you're hearing. The inner diameter of the earpads is about 60 mm. The memory protein earmuffs is made in Germany, which designed to disperse pressure and heat buildup, combined with the soft leather headband to gives you maximum comfort and superior isolation. You can share music, videos, movies with your families and friends. Monitor 60 features reversible housing and a rugged adjustable headband for freestyle and single-side monitoring. The ear cups swivel to lay flat and also flip upward to fit neatly in your bag. Number 2, DT990 Pro headphone. For decades now, professional users all around the world have placed their trust in our classic range. DT770/880/990 Pro. These benchmark-setting studio headphones, available in 3 different models, boast extremely detailed resolution and very transparent sound. The DT990 Pro headphones is the range's open-back model, offering impressive spaciousness. These open-back studio headphones are a reliable tool for any sound enthusiast. The wide stereo image and 3-dimensional sound reproduction make the Beyerdynamic DT990 Pro headphones a loyal companion for producers. Outstanding tonal depth ensures that even small changes in the positioning of the acoustic source can be perceived while mixing. With its open design, the circumural receiver has outstanding spatiality and detailed depth gradation. The 80 ohms version impresses with the proven sound signature of the DT990 Pro, prominent bass and extroverted highs. Compared to the 250 ohms version, the high frequencies are slightly reduced. The single-sided cable allows the headphones to be put on and taken off frequently without cables getting tangled, and soft, adjustable ear cups provide for added comfort. The robust spring steel headband design ensures that the over-ear headphones also offer a secure fit. Number 3, Audio-Technica 8TH-M50X headphone. As the most critically acclaimed model in the M-series line, the 8TH-M50 is praised by top audio engineers and pro audio reviewers year after year. Now the 8TH-M50X professional studio monitor headphones feature the same coveted sonic signature with the added feature of detachable cables from the large aperture drivers, sound isolating ear cups and robust construction. The M50X provides an unmatched experience for the most critical audio professionals. The 8TH-M50X provides an unmatched experience for those looking for studio quality headphones at an affordable cost. The 8TH-M50X delivers accurate audio and deep bass response, making the portable closed-back headphones perfect for long sessions in the recording studio and on the go. Engineers and pro audio reviewers agree, the M50X is the choice for pure professional performance. Number 4, Cowin E7 Pro headphone. Professional active noise cancelling technology. Much better sound. Proprietary 45mm large aperture drivers provide you with deep, accurate bass response. Upgraded soft ear cushions for comfort with the professional protein earpad and 90 swiveling ear cups. Much higher quality built-in microphone. 30-hour playtime per full charge at Bluetooth mode. A built-in 800 mAh battery won't allow your headphones power off. Significant noise reduction for travel, work and anywhere in between. Advanced active noise reduction technology quells airplane cabin noise, city traffic or a busy office, makes you focus on what you want to hear. Discover sound quality that brings out the best in your music, including subtle details you may never have noticed. Hassle-free wireless is simpler than ever. Bluetooth connections are quick and easy. Get rid of the wire bonds, but without compromising sound quality. Significant noise reduction for travel, work and anywhere in between. Advanced active noise reduction technology quells airplane cabin noise, city traffic or a busy office, makes you focus on what you want to hear, enjoy your music, movies and videos. The noise cancellation function can work well both in wire and wireless mode. Number 5. EKSA E900BT Headphone. Cables truly will affect your game experience. EKSA E900BT comes with 2.4 GHz 20 ms low latency connection and Bluetooth 5.0 low energy connection that can be switched with one button, providing a more free gaming experience on PC, smartphone and PlayStation. At the same time, the included 3.5mm audio cable allows you to use the headset without power. 360 degrees rotating flexible retractable unidirectional microphone with ENC noise reduction chip and AI intelligent algorithm can reduce 96% of the environmental noise to ensure that the call is clear. EKSA E900BT uses a stable and reliable Bluetooth 5.0 chip with low power consumption and stable connection. 3 connection modes with 4 connection methods. USB/Type-C/3.5mm/Bluetooth, it can be easily connected to all devices such as PC, PS4, PS5, Switch, laptop, smartphone, Xbox, etc.